Hi, my name is Aniruddha Dattar. I am alumni of SSMS College of Engineering, Pune. I have completed my bachelor's degree in production engineering in sandwich pattern. I am currently working with French video game developer Ubisoft Entertainment as a lead compliance specialist, like you can read here. I am responsible for a team size of 300 people, both on and off site. So lots of times people approach me and ask me what exactly is production sandwich and how it is different from your regular engineering course. So let me try answering what exactly is production sandwich and how it is beneficial for your career as well as your academics. So best part of opting for production language courses, you get 1 year worth of training during your engineering. So your engineering is of 4 year. So your engineering is 4 years long, and out of which you spend in 1 year in industry. During that 1 year, you are getting mentored by experienced and best people of industry as well as your professors. During that 1 year tenure, you are exposed to what kind of processes industries are following, what kind of challenges industries are facing on day-to-day basis, how they are tackling those challenges, how they are surviving competition in terms of cost, in terms of quality, quantity, etc. So by the time you are done with your engineering, you have already accumulated 1 year worth of experience on your resume, which really helps. Uh, when you go back from industry to your college for writing down your exams or giving your orals, etc., it becomes really easy because you already have seen those processes, you have already worked on those processes, and explaining or writing those processes becomes really easy. Obviously, that is going to have positive impact on your score as well. When you go for your campus placement or you go for any kind of interviews, that 1 year worth of experience is going to outweigh other candidates, because obviously organizations are going to look for a candidate who has a decent amount of experience, who has decent amount of exposure to the processes industries are following. So obviously those industries are going to prefer you over other candidates because you have that kind of experience. Just in case whenever people ask me whether I should go for this course or not, I always recommend them for going for production sandwich. And my advice is it's best kind of engineering you can, best engineering course you can get, because throughout engineering you are gathering experience. I hope it helped you a lot in terms of questions. And thank you, and all the best for your career.
Hello everyone, this is Nitasha Deshmukh. I have studied production sandwich course in AISSMS COE. I wanted to tell you about how it's useful for us. So for me, it has been really useful, okay? Because currently I'm working as a lean engineer and as a project manager in Wear company in USA. And before that, I have worked in Ford USA and Renault Nissan as a global project lead in France, China, and India. And before that, I have worked with Volkswagen India, and I got my internship in Volkswagen India. So while I was doing a production sandwich course, I did my internship in Volkswagen, and I got to know how the industry is working with, like, how other departments are working. And if you see my score before my internship and after my internship is really different, because you get the experience over there and you get to know how the things are working. It's better to know the things practically rather than just read a book and know it. So it's, you understand the things really quick and in a correct manner, because as your experience there. So if your internship is like for 6 months or 1 year, it has a great impact on your resume. You can add those experience in your resume, and your experience level just gets increased. And while you're searching for a job, you already are experienced person. It's like the internship is like a trial period for you to understand what you love to work, which department you think should be beneficial for you if you really start working in a industry. And it's like a trial period for you to prove yourself if you really like the same department, and you can get a job in the same company if you prove yourself good. And for other things, like our, if worst scenario, if you don't get any internships, so our college faculty is so good in AISSMS COE. They have so many contact with other industries. as their ex students have been working with those companies, and they know the managers, they have so good contacts with the industry that you are going to find your internship anyway if you cannot. So it's like, for you, it's like a plus point that you get to know everything and there is a help. And when you actually go for a job search, you're an experienced person with this knowledge and good company, and you get to know what our other companies are working like, right? So that's all from me. I would surely recommend production sandwich course to anybody who is my friend or to whom I think I should recommend something. So trust me, it has helped me a lot. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I hope everyone is fine, great. My name is Rahul. I did my production engineering from SSPMS College Sandwich course, and I would like to brief you about my experience and the exposure which you get from the course. Sandwich course is designed in such a way to test your potential and the kind of exposure you can get from this course. It is a course where, in third year of second semester you get 6 months internship in a company, and then you have fourth year last semester where you do the internship. And I did my internship in Forbes Marshall. It was a great experience. I used to collaborate with all the teams, boilers, actuators, valves, sales team, operations team, R&D team. So you need to explore yourself to see which are the areas you like the most, and this course gives you that edge, and it is really important. It adds a great value to your resume and of course to your experience. You learn a lot. If you're lucky, you will get to know what you really like to work for. So that is the best thing I like about the course. Apart from that, I did my internship, both the internship in Forbes Marshall. After that, I moved to Saudi. I worked for an Austrian company, EcoFluid. I'm a certified consultant for them for transformers, and I had work in Italy, Venice, Vienna, Austria, Mexico, Dubai, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman. So those are the areas which I was covering. Right now, I have my own business in Dubai. We work for utility plants. It's called Diva. I'm doing an integration project with them. I'm in Dubai for the last 2 years, so it's been good journey for me. And if anyone wants to go for a course, I would strongly recommend to go for sandwich course, because you have faculty who will help you to get a good companies for internships, so you don't have to worry about it, and you get a launch pad platform for yourself. So I would strongly recommend. And it was a good experience for me. And of course, thank you so much, Shekapure sir. If anyone needs any guidance, any suggestions from my end, he has my contacts. You can always connect with me. And sir, thank you so much for everything. You have been a great mentor. Couldn't have asked more than that. And wish everyone a great luck. Good day.
Hello everyone, I'm Snehal Belsare. I have completed my production sandwich course with the 2018 batch from the AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune. Presently, I am working as a design engineer with the well-known company Taiyo Industries in the Japan. The reason I chose production sandwich course is for the internships. In sandwich course, we can experience the actual industrial life, the work culture, work etiquettes, manners from the experts during the internships. As well as we can learn about the traditional manufacturing process and etc. during the lectures. About the production sandwich department is, our professors are very kind and cooperative. They always promote to participate in the various activities, sports, etc. They arrange various programs during the course to enhance our life essential skills as well as our technical skills, and we grown up as a professional way. I hope you all will achieve what you are aiming for. All the best.